Once upon a time, in the ancient city of Athens, there was a grand ship known as the Ship of Theseus. This ship was renowned for its legendary voyages across the seas and was considered a symbol of the city's maritime prowess. Over time, however, the Ship of Theseus began to deteriorate. Planks were replaced, sails were mended, and parts of the ship were constantly repaired to keep it seaworthy. Eventually, every single part of the ship had been replaced at least once. A philosophical question arose. If every piece of the Ship of Theseus had been replaced, could it still be considered the same ship, or had it become an entirely new vessel? To explore this paradox, the citizens of Athens gathered in the city square to debate. Some argued that the ship's identity was not tied to its physical parts, but rather to its continuity and purpose. They believed that as long as it continued to serve as Theseus's ship and maintained its historical legacy, it remained the same ship. Others, however, contended that identity was indeed linked to the physical components. They asserted that with the replacement of every piece, the Ship of Theseus had essentially become a different entity. As the debate raged on, a young philosopher named Heraclitus stepped forward. He proposed a new perspective, suggesting that change and flux were inherent in all things. He argued that nothing remained the same, and even the concept of identity was subject to change. In his view, the Ship of Theseus was neither the same nor different. It was constantly evolving, just like life itself. The Ship of Theseus paradox challenged the citizens of Athens to ponder the nature of identity, change, and continuity. It left them with a profound philosophical question that resonates through the ages. When does something cease to be what it once was, and how do we define the essence of identity in a world of constant transformation? And so, the Ship of Theseus sailed not only through the seas of ancient Greece, but also through the annals of philosophy, leaving a timeless riddle that continues to captivate the minds of thinkers and philosophers to this day.